Whip up your favorite treats fast and easy with the dough blender from Spring Chef. This blender includes 5 thick, durable blades compared to 4 on most competitors, giving you much more power and control. It's constructed of solid stainless steel and is dishwasher safe, so it will never rust. The soft gripped handle is comfortable to hold and won't slip with wet hands, so you can cut cold butter into flour easily. And the blender is versatile. Chop hard-boiled eggs, soft fruits, vegetables, nuts, avocados, and more. Work smarter, not harder in the kitchen, and get the dough blender from Spring Chef today.